how to start a successful YouTube channel. And let's get right into the video. We're going to be doing shoutouts at the end of the video. If you want to enter this shoutout, you only have to subscribe and then write it in the comments, write done in the comments, and then you will get shouted out. So first of all, you're going to be going on your profile picture, which I'm also soon going to show you how to add and everything. Then you're going to go on your channel, and then you see customize channel. Then you press on that, and then you see channel customization. Then you go on branding, and then you can see your profile picture. If you don't have any profile picture, there's just gonna be this person with the face, and then you can go on change or remove, and then you can put your profile picture in like that. Then you can also have a video watermark. It's also going to be displayed here, and you can do it for the end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. We have done it for entire video and a subscribe button so that it'll be in all our videos, and that is really helpful. And actually a lot of people actually don't know about it. Then you're going to go on basic info, and you can change your channel name and description. Description is when you go to your channel and then you go on about, then you can see the description about your channel, and you can write anything about your channel, what you do on your channel. Then you can go back on dashboard. You can go on dashboard exactly there. It also will all be displayed. Then you go on this thingy here. I don't really know how it's called. Then you go and upload videos. Then there will be written select files, drag and drop video files to upload, and then you can upload your video right there. So when you're posting your videos, you actually, like, if you don't know how all that works, you press on the video, on videos, like content here on YouTube Studio. It's under content, and then you can see all the videos listed that you've done. Then you go on details, and then you can see everything that you've written. You can add title. Our title was Aesthetic Intro Templates for 2021, no credit, no text. Then you can add the description, pretty long description. Like I told you, like in the last time, 250 words for your description is recommendable. And it's really good for the algorithm, because the algorithm always looks at your videos. So yeah, then we have, you can actually even go on edit, analytics, comments, all that stuff, editor. Then you can actually edit your videos if they're not edited yet and they're on private. If you just like uploaded it, then you can edit it. Actually also there is usually where you also add ads for your video. Yeah, so then you can see all that stuff, and then you save the changes and all that stuff. If you actually want to go live, then you have to, before you go live, verify your YouTube channel. I mentioned that in the 5 things I wish I knew video. The link again is in the description box, so you can check that out and you can see how you verify your video. Then you go on go live, and then you can actually go live. I could actually go live right now, but I'm filming this video right now. So then you can also create a post if you have over 1,000 subscribers. After a week, then you create a post, and then it's gonna open another tab, and then you're gonna be sent to community. Then there's written image, poll, and video plus. You can add a video there, and then you post it. But I think, yeah, exactly. And if you want to know how to actually schedule videos, I can actually also do a video on that, how you schedule videos. So yeah, you do not really know how it feels like to be a YouTuber before you do it yourself. Because if you do it yourself, you're gonna understand what I'm saying. And you're gonna understand that it takes so much than just posting a video on YouTube. In reality, it takes several days to just complete one video. Like, sometimes editing might take 1 or 2 days. If you're watching this video right now, this editing will probably take 1 or 2 days long. And yes, you did understand me right. 1 or 2 days to edit. I know you might be thinking, this is insane, this is not true, but it is true indeed. Editing is so important, and it actually takes a lot more time than you think. Do not think that, okay, a 10-minute video will take 10 minutes to edit. No, that is actually sadly not how it is. Hopefully by now you have at least a small picture of what it takes to be a YouTuber, because it isn't as easy as it seems. But if you're really determined to start a YouTube channel, I am not stopping you from it. Like, I love doing YouTube. I love being a YouTuber. So when you found out what you want your videos to be about, for example, baking videos, it is called a niche. What is a niche? A niche is what makes your channel unique. When you're finding a niche for your YouTube channel, you're looking for a subset of a genre, subject, or topic to make your videos about. A niche can be broad, like a channel about travel. So that is what a niche is, so that you understand what I mean by niche. So yeah, really think deeply what your channel can be about. You also have to think about which value your channel has. Because you might be like, okay, this girl provides value because she's educating other people. But if you don't educate other people, you have to find value in your own way. Even if it's entertainment to make other people laugh, it is still value. So try to find value in your channel. So next is your channel name. Before starting your YouTube channel, you deeply have to think about what your channel name has to be is about. Maybe you might be thinking, oh, my channel name, that is not so important, but actually it might be your traffic source. Yes, only the name of your channel. For example, Lauren DIY. She was really smart with her name and gained a lot of traffic into her channel because she put her niche inside her name. She put DIY, which is her niche, inside her name, which in that way gets more traffic into your channel, which of course you could also do. But I would definitely recommend you having your name inside your channel. For example, if you're doing lifestyle, definitely put your first name or only your middle name, any type of name. Just put your name if you're doing a lifestyle channel. I do recommend it. But if you're still stuck and you do not want to put your name or anything that I've just said, then you can go on Google Name Generator. I actually also talked about this in the video 5 things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. The link to the video is in the description box. You can check that out after watching this video until the end. So yeah, then you can look at your name in Google Name Generator, and then you've got your name. So now we're gonna be doing shoutouts. First shoutout goes to Charlie.08, and the next shoutout will go to Kelly, and the last shoutout goes to Pets Lover. So shout out to you guys. If you have subscribed, or if you're a new subscriber, then write down in the comments and we're gonna shout you out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Love you all.